See, now I'll tell you all the formulas related to resonance. Okay, because directly you will get numerical from the resonance on the direct formula. As you know, first condition for the resonance is XL is equal to XC, right? From here we'll get the resonant frequency, that is FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi root, right? Then third condition is that impedance should be minimum in the case of resonance, because whenever they'll say minimum impedance means you have to understood that this is the condition of resonance, then current should be maximum for this condition. Okay, next thing we'll need to learn about it, that quality factor. Quality factor is denoted by Q factor, and we are having formula for that, that is 1 by R root L by C. One another formula will have, that is bandwidth. Bandwidth is the difference in the frequency, or we can say range in the frequency, that is F2 minus F1. And we are having relationship between quality factor and the bandwidth, that is quality factor is equal to resonant frequency divided by the bandwidth. Okay, so basically we'll have a graph like this. In this we'll have two frequencies. Suppose this one we can consider as omega 1, this one we can consider as omega 2. So what is bandwidth? Bandwidth is, as I told you, difference in the two frequency, that would be omega 2 minus omega 1, where omega 1 is the lower half power frequency and omega 2 is the upper half power frequency. Okay, so sometimes in some of the question they ask you the value of omega 1 and omega 2 also. Write down the formula for that also. Omega 1 is equal to minus r by 2l plus of r by 2l plus square plus 1 by lc. Omega 2 is equal to r by 2l plus of r by 2l ka whole square plus 1 by lc. Okay, omega 2 into omega 1 is equal to 1 by lc, and omega 2 minus omega 1 is equal to r by l. Got it? And one more formula related to the bandwidth, that um bandwidth ka that I already told you, key, that is resonant frequency divided by bandwidth. Okay, one more formula will have related to this, that is Q factor would be equal to the voltage. Q factor would be equal to the voltage drop across inductor divided by bandwidth, and from that if we want to calculate L, that is Q factor multiplied by resistance divided by 2 pi Fr. Okay, all these are the